Welcome back to the ENE 310 exam preparation videos. So in this video, there's not really much to teach in this study unit. You just need to know your diode theory, and yeah, like this, like I don't know what to say about this. Like, the best I can do for this is give you an example of the type of question that they may ask, but there's not really much that goes on here. This is a half-wave rectifier. You should know what happens here when your input is smaller than 0. Your half-wave rectifier is off. When it's larger than 0, your half-wave rectifier is on. The disadvantage is that you've got your 0.7 volt drop, and that's half-wave rectifier. So here is a more precise half-wave rectifier with a clamp, and the improvement here is that you do not get your 0.7 volt drop, and there's really not much to say about this. It's simple things. And then you get your full wave rectifier, and I mean, everything is honestly explained in these three. There's really not that much to teach. Like, I feel like I'd be wasting your time just repeating these things. Like, these are rather simple concepts, and I mean, the design is pretty simple itself. And then you got your improved full wave rectifier. Same thing. Just by looking at those two cases, you will be able to figure out what's going on by switching either diode 1 or diode 2 off and on. And here's your simplified design. There's really not that much thinking when it comes to it. It's really simple, so don't worry too much about it. And then, wait, why does it feel like these two are the same slides? Oh no, they're not. Well, again, back to your full wave rectifier. Same things. Why am I find myself asking why am I even gonna upload this video when there's not much to be learned here. Oh yeah, this is why I wanted to do this video. Your Schmidt triggers. So you got two different types of Schmidt triggers. You got your inverting Schmidt trigger and you got your non-inverting Schmidt trigger. So if you go and have a look at your notes, you will see that they do not include this little bad boy here. You see that guy? Memorize him. Memorize this. What is it? VOTC graph? VOTC? Yeah. It's a VOTC. Well, anyways, whatever this graph is called, memorize how you draw that for your inverting and your non-inverting. The reason why it is not in your notes is because this means that Schoolman can ask this. He can ask you to draw this. Because I mean, it's not really too much of a train smash. Just make sure that you get your arrows correct, right? So there's your inverting Schmidt trigger, and there is your non-inverting Schmidt trigger. So yeah, these two curves are honestly the most important things when it comes to this study unit. Just memorize them, know how to draw them, like go and practice them, draw them with your eyes closed, draw them with your eyes open, just memorize them. These are 4 free marks. 4 free marks where you do not need to even think about it. Just please don't lose out on these free marks. Memorize your VTC curves. They are very important. I cannot stress this enough. Memorize your VTC curves. Please do not lose on these free marks. And that is literally that's the gist of this study unit. Like, know your VTC curves. I cannot stress this enough. Know your VTC curves, please. Free marks right here. And yeah, that's it. Know your VTC curves. That's VTC curves. I'll say this one more time. Your VTC curves are very, very important. Free marks.